Good day, everyone. This is me, Angie Paragasa, your reporter in Coast Control. Let me begin with the definition of coast control. Coast control refers to the process of managing and reducing the expenses associated with operating a food service establishment. So this includes the controlling food cost, the labor cost, and other operating expenses such as rent, utilities, and supplies. The goal of cost control topic in food establishment is to maximize the profit while maintaining the service provided to customer. And also, it involves monitoring and analyzing financial data, implementing cost saving measures, and ensuring that all expenses are necessary and justified. In that way, effective cost control strategies can help food service manager to increase the profitability, improve efficiency, and maintain a competitive edge in the industry and in the quality of the food industry. Number one step process is establishing standard. This is to establish the food quality, the portion sizes, service, and other aspect of the operation. This standard should be realistic, measurable, and achievable. Establishing standards in food service management is very important for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that the quality of food and service provided to customer is consistent and meets the expectation of the customer. Secondly, it ensures that the safety and hygiene standards are met, which is crucial in preventing foodborne illnesses and ensuring the health of customers. Thirdly, it helps in managing the cost by ensuring that the right portion sizes are served, minimizing waste, and controlling inventory. By establishing standard in food service management, businesses can ensure that they meet the expectations of their customers, maintain food safety and hygiene, and manage the cost effectively. The second is the measuring performance. Once the standard has been established, the next step is to measure performance against those standards. This may involve tracking sales, food cost, labor cost, customer satisfactions, and other key performance indicators. So, measuring performance in food service management is crucial to ensure that the food service operation is meeting its objective and goals. It helps in identifying areas that need improvements and areas that are performing well. It also helps in making data driven decisions to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the operations. For example, feedback through surveys, inventory, food costs so that we can identify the areas that needs improvement and make data-driven decision to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the operations. Analyzing variances. After measuring performance, managers should analyze any variances or deviation from the standard. This involves identifying the root causes of the variances and determining whether corrective action is necessary. So, analyzing variances is an important tool in food service management that helps to identify and understand the differences between actual performance and expected performance. It involves comparing actual result against budgeted or expected results and investigating the reasons for any differences. For example, if the food cost variance is unfavorable, it may indicate that the cost of ingredients is higher than anticipated or that there is wasted occurring in the kitchen. So, to address this, a manager may look for ways to reduce food waste, negotiate better prices with supplier, or adjust menu prices to maintain profitability. The fourth one is the taking corrective action. So, if variances are identified, managers should take corrective action to address the issues. So, this may involve adjusting recipes, reducing waste training stops, or implementing new procedures. So, taking a corrective action is an essential part also of food service management. It also involves identifying and addressing issues that are negatively impacting the operations. So, corrective action is necessary to ensure that the operation is running efficiently, effectively, and profitably. First, identify the problem through conducting customer survey, investigate root cause by looking the system and people involved in the operation. The third is develop plan action to address issues, implement a plan like the changes of technology, like investing something new, monitor the progress to ensure if the plan has effects, and lastly adjust the plan if still no desired effects. So, through corrective actions, effective manager can ensure that operation is running smoothly and profitably. The fifth one is monitoring progress. Once corrective action has been taken, managers should monitor progress to ensure that the issues have been resolved and standards are being met. This may involve ongoing measurements and analysis of key performance indicators. So monitoring progress is an essential part also of food service management because it also involves tracking and analyzing the key performance indicator or the KPIs to evaluate the success of an operation. By regularly monitoring progress, managers can identify areas for improvement, make informed decisions, and take corrective actions to ensure that their operation is running efficiently and effectively. So, monitoring progress is an ongoing process in food service management. By regularly tracking KPIs and analyzing data, managers can stay informed about the performance of the operation and make informed decisions to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and drive profitability. One step is making adjustments, of course. Finally, managers should make adjustments as necessary to ensure that the operation continues to meet its standards and achieve its goals. This may involve revising standards, updating procedures, or implementing new technologies or systems. So, adjustment in food service management refers to the changes made to the operation or processes of a food service establishment in order to improve efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. So, this adjustment can be made in various aspects of the food service operation, such as menu offerings, pricing, staff scheduling, inventory management, and customer service. For example, if a restaurant is experiencing slow business during certain hours of the day, adjustment can be made to the menu to attract more customers during those times. This may involve offering specials or promotions to entice customers to visit during slower periods. Another example of an adjustment in food service management is in pricing. If a restaurant is experiencing a decline in sales due to the high prices, adjustments can be made to lower the prices of certain menu items or offer discounts to customers.